In Block v. Rutherford, 1984, respondents were inmates being held in Los Angeles County's Central Jail prior to trial. Central Jail did not allow inmates to have contact visits with their spouse, children, or other relatives. Central Jail also prohibited inmates from watching the irregularly scheduled shakedown searches of their own cells. Respondents sued the district court and argued that these practices violated their civil rights under Section 1983 of the United States Code. The district court agreed with respondents, holding that the inmate's right to embrace a family member is a matter of great importance and outweighs the minimal risk that allowing contact visits poses. The district court also held that low-risk detainees should be allowed contact visits if they are incarcerated for more than a month. The district court also held that inmates should be allowed to watch searches of their cells because those searches often result in prison officials removing or destroying personal property of the inmate. The jail officials appealed this decision. The Ninth Circuit Court of Appeals upheld or affirmed the district court's ruling, and on appeal to the Supreme Court, asking the question whether the Central Jail's practice of prohibiting detainees from having contact visits and prohibiting them from being present during shakedowns of their cells was related to a government interest that would be considered legitimate and reasonable. The Supreme Court answered yes, and overturned the ruling of the District Court and the Ninth Circuit Court of Appeals. The court held that the Central Jail's policies worked toward furthering a legitimate and reasonable government interest in ensuring the safety of the jail, officials, employees, and visitors. The court cited the extensive precedent that gave discretion to prison officials in enacting policies and procedures that they deemed necessary to preserve internal order and security.